Got your wedding invitation in the mail today, on a thick bit of card telling me to save the date. I'd missed the announcement that you got engaged, 'cause I don't read the papers every day. I guess you're trying on dresses, making seating plans, choosing all your favorite songs to tell the band. The flowers are expensive, but that's a problem for your dad. He doesn't mind, he's just proud to give away your hand. And when you walk down the aisle, before they all throw confetti and roses, when you see my face, don't read my mind. I wish it was mine. The hand that you're holding, it could have been ours. The congregation clapped when he pronounced you man and wife, and an aria was sung while the documents were signed. And it kills me to think it's for the rest of your life, the rest of your life. You were a beautiful bride. And when you walk down the aisle, before they all throw confetti and roses, when you see my face, don't read my mind. I wish it was mine.